What's up, everybody? It's Lee here. Picked up some Power Hobby brass beadlocks, so I figured I'd do another long video for you. As you can see, that weighs 5 grams. Nobody cares because the beadlocks weigh 37 a piece. Heavy AF, big chungus, whatever you want to call them. They're freaking amazing. Check that out. Looks really cool. If the camera would let it. I do want to note the front bolts are just decorative. They do screw in there though. However, the ones you're actually going to be getting to, this guy won't work. A 1.3 will not work. Sorry about the focus, guys. A 1.5, however, will. Just note that. Again, they look really good. Just wanted to show you one here real quick. It's just a simple 3-piece. It's just really heavy. I might need some Trail Kings up to some. Got one right here. Thought it looked really cool. Let's get this out of the way. Get one on and see what it looks like, yeah? I have no idea what to even call this build. It's just kind of, I don't know, existing, I guess. Can't hit the hole, guys. There we go. No, we don't. Look pretty cool. Gonna be great for this guy. Because also, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, ask me, doesn't matter. Because I'm gonna do a review on these two. Just not today. Hopefully the next day or so. I'm gonna put them on this guy here. I posted some pictures on the SCX24 Mods and Fun Facebook group. These portals and these beadlocks alone almost weigh as much as this whole thing did before I added, you know, this to it. It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be a fun little project. I got the flat skid on there. It's really simple. Guys, honestly, anybody can make this flat skid. You know why? You don't have to put all 4 of your links on your skid. You don't even have to put any of your links on your skid. I don't know how well you can see it. You see my upper there? The black one? That's on my frame. It's not on the skid. It doesn't have to go there. It just has to have somewhere to attach to. See? I don't know how well. But yeah, super flat. Well, there you go, everyone. Went ahead and got the rest of them installed there. Looking pretty good, pretty sweet. You tell me what you think. They look pretty good. Stay tuned though, like I said, I've got these RC all-wheel drive portals the next day or so. I think I'll have a video up on those for sure on this guy. Get some running video and all that. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever. Hit me up on Facebook. Doesn't matter. Appreciate you guys. Thanks. Have a good day, alright?